everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I know that my hair looks crazy. We got a lot of new growth, a lot of just volume up here. That's because today we're going to be doing a relaxer touch-up. So before we jump into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. But yeah, here we are. It's relaxer touch-up day. We're about 5 months post relaxer. You guys know that I usually like to do my relaxer touch-ups about every 3 months. So it's definitely been delayed. Oh my gosh, my hair is just, I have so much new growth. It is so thick. I'm so happy that this day has finally come. We are going to be relaxing my roots. Let me just give you guys a closer look of what my roots actually look like. Okay, so first you can see right here, my new growth comes like all the way up here. I'm gonna split it down the middle so you guys can see a little bit better. This is what my new growth is looking like. It's thick, it's a lot, trust me, I know. It's just, I cannot wait to relax these roots. Where's my scalp? You cannot even see it, like you really cannot. It is just so thick in here. So yeah, we're just gonna get my hair together today, do a quick relaxer touch up. I don't think I'm gonna end up straightening my hair today because I feel like I'm gonna end up styling it different. So like always, I'm going to be using my Allaboutash Professional Cream Relaxer and then Normal Strength. Use this for all of my relaxers, relaxer touch-ups, all of that. I like it, it works well. So I'm gonna stick to using this. And I was actually thinking about doing Hairlicious method where she kind of parts her hair into sections before she does her relaxer touch-up, so it kind of helps the process go along a little bit easier and quicker. But I feel like today is just such an important relaxer touch-up for me because it has been so long. I think I'm just gonna stick to what me and my mom are used to, and that's just parting my hair in 4 sections and just slapping it on. So I think maybe next time I might try that, but for this time I think I'm just gonna stick to what my mom is used to since she's really the one who's going to be doing it, because this one is just much needed. My hair, it's just so thick, I don't even know. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I do my relaxer touch-up for like the 4th time, I don't know what relaxer touch-up this is on my channel, then just keep on watching.
So first, I'm just going to start off by applying some Vaseline to my hairline, and apparently I wasn't doing it well enough, so this is where my mom took over. Next, my mom is going to part my hair into 4 sections. This just helps when applying the relaxer to my full head of really thick hair. So all she does is take the relaxer and apply it straight to my new growth. Since it's been a minute since I had my last relaxer touch-up, you can definitely see where my new growth stops and where my previously relaxed hair starts. I will say that I do wish we would have coated my hair with some type of conditioner or oil, something like that, just to prevent any relaxer runoff. Luckily, we didn't have any this time, but I definitely think that's something I want to implement moving forward with my relaxer touch-ups. So after my mom is done applying the relaxer to all 4 sections of my head, she's going to go back to the first section she started with and just start to really smooth the relaxer through my hair. This process took a total of about 32 minutes, and this is what my hair looked like once she was done smoothing everything in. For my shampoo and neutralizing process, I like to follow Hairlicious routine. If you guys haven't checked out her channel, I would definitely recommend that you guys subscribe if you want healthy, relaxed hair, or really just healthy hair in general. So pretty much the neutralizing process is to rinse the relaxer out, shampoo with the Allaboutash Neutralizing Shampoo, leave that on for 5 minutes, rinse it out, shampoo and leave it on for 5 minutes again, rinse it out for a second time, and then shampoo and this time leave it on for 10 minutes before rinsing it out for the final time.
Okay y'all, so I am back. We just finished shampooing my hair with the neutralizing shampoo. Now I'm going to go ahead and do a moisturizing deep condition. Since last week I did a protein-based deep condition, this is how my hair took to the relaxer pretty well. I think this is going to be like the last time me and my mom relax my hair, because the longer and thicker my hair gets, it's just like harder for us to do it on our own. Also, I really wish that we would have coated my previously relaxed strands, which is something I've kind of gone back and forth on before. People always ask me in the past if I protect my already relaxed strands, and I'd always just say no. But I feel like moving forward, that's something I definitely want to do. I just need to find someone. I'm just so nervous about someone else being in my hair. That's really the reason why I haven't really looked for anyone, but I've been thinking about it and saying it a lot more lately, so I feel like we're just gonna take the plunge and do that. I'm gonna have to find someone who can relax my hair and cut my hair. It's just, I feel like, especially when it comes to relaxing, I really want someone to use the relaxer I like to use. I want them to do the neutralizing and the 3 steps, the 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. And yeah, so I feel like that's the main part when it comes to relaxing my hair. Everything else, I feel like they should should be able to do like on their own, but I'm just gonna have to really research and find someone who can cater to black hair, relaxed black hair in the Austin area. So that's gonna be a challenge, but we're gonna go ahead and do this deep conditioner on my hair. I really do like this one. I've used it before and it just gives your hair like a really nice slip. So like I said, we just finished shampooing my hair with the neutralizing shampoo. So now I'm just gonna go in with this moisturizing deep condition, and we're going to deep condition my hair underneath the soft bonnet dryer for about 25 to 30 minutes, something around there. So yeah, I'm really just gonna slap this all throughout my hair. Okay, now I'm just gonna slap on plastic shower cap. Then I'm gonna put on the bonnet connected to the soft bonnet dryer, and I'm gonna turn it on medium. Like I said for the 1000th time, this thing gets really hot, so sometimes I may put it up to high, but usually I keep it on medium because that usually gets pretty warm. So yeah, I'm gonna sit underneath here for about 25, probably just around 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes is up for the deep condition. Now I'm just gonna let my hair cool off and then we're going to rinse it out. So for my hair, it feels really, really good. I really do like that deep conditioner. It's just really soft. It gives my hair a good little slip. So yeah, I'm just gonna let my hair cool down and then we're going to rinse it out. Okay, so it's about like an hour and a half later. I just want to check in and show you guys how my hair is air drying. I feel like this relaxer came out really good. I like the way that my hair is air drying. It's drying pretty straight. I haven't done anything to it. I've literally just been trying on clothes because I'm going to Houston tomorrow, so I'm just packing all of that. But yeah, this is how my hair is air drying. It's about, I'd say like 85% dry. My roots are still wet towards the middle and in the back. But yeah, I feel like it looks pretty good overall. Let me bring it in front on both sides so you guys can really see. So yeah, this is how this relaxer touch-up came out. So I'm not gonna style my hair tonight. I'm just gonna wait for it to fully air dry. Then I'm just gonna put my do-rag on, put my bonnet on, and go to sleep. I think tomorrow I'm going to be kind of styling my hair, trying out a thin part unit, because this weekend I'm actually going to be doing a half up, half down. So tomorrow's hairstyle is just kind of like an in-between style until I actually style it for the weekend. So I may check in tomorrow and show you guys what that finished hairstyle looks like. Hopefully it's going to be cute. In my mind, I think it's going to be cute. So hopefully I'm able to execute it the way that I have it visioned. But yeah, overall, I'm really liking the way that my hair is coming out. I like the way it's air drying. This side of my hair has always had a little bit more texture in the middle right here, so that's nothing new. But yeah, overall, I just feel like it looks pretty good. I'm just really happy to have a fresh relaxer touch-up because it has been long overdue. So yeah, that's it for today's relaxer touch-up process. As you guys saw, it's pretty simple, but I think moving forward we need to get someone, a professional, to actually help me with my relaxed hair. Not only just like relaxer days, but just going to them for trims, cuts, really having like expert advice on what my hair needs. So yeah, that's it for today. I'll check in with you guys tomorrow. Okay, hey everyone, so it is the next day. This is how my hair turned out. So like I said, I think I told you guys last night that I was going to be installing a thin part wig. So this is the one that I installed. This is the Kim unit from Innovative Weaves, I think. All the links will be in the description box below. So pretty much I just put about 5 of these like really small flexi rods in my leave out last night. I took them out this morning. I popped on my thin part wig. I kind of like stretched my leave out and kind of twisted it in with the natural curls of the unit, and this is how my hair turned out. I feel like it looks pretty good. I really don't have any product in either the thin part or my actual leave out. I just used a little bit of mousse. I probably should have moisturized my hair a little bit more before I put in my flexi rods, but this was honestly just kind of like a test. I wanted to see what my hair would look like in this style. If you guys want to see how I actually was able to install and style this unit, make sure you turn on my post notifications because I do have a video coming out soon on how I'm going to install this thin part unit. So if you guys want to see how I was able to achieve this look, make sure you turn on my post notifications so you know every time I upload a new video. But that's pretty much it for this relaxer touch-up video. Again, I just wanted like a quick style where I didn't really have to put product in my hair, so I did this today because this weekend I'm actually going to be styling my hair. Insert picture here. Hopefully my hair comes out cute because this is me like speaking it into existence. I'm going to try to film a video on that hairstyle too. But yeah, you guys, that's it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Comment down below what you thought about the whole process. I'm really looking forward to finding a professional who can do my hair for me, who can do my relaxer touch-ups, who can cut my hair, who can really just give me more insight about my hair. I think like the longer, I already said this before, but the longer and thicker my hair gets, it's a lot. Especially me and my mom trying to relax my hair at home. Well, mainly my mom. It's just like, I'm like, Mom, you gotta hurry up. You gotta go. She does such a good job. So I don't know what I would do without her because I don't think I could self-relax. It's a lot of hair. It's very thick. But all that being said, yeah, that's pretty much how this relaxer day turned out. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys in the next video.